If you're looking for an easy way to protect and organize your wiring, polyethylene FlexGuard convoluted tubing is worth a look. This flexible, crush-resistant tubing offers a neat, uniform finish that enhances the appearance of any wiring setup, making cables look clean and professional. The unique convoluted surface doesn't just improve aesthetics, it adds durability. Plus, the split seam design lets you insert wires quickly, saving you the hassle and time of wrapping tape or using other bulky methods. It's a simple solution that keeps your wiring tidy and secure. This tubing handles temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit up to 199 degrees Fahrenheit, so it performs well in a variety of environments. Whether you're managing cables in a chilly garage or near warm equipment, it maintains its shape and protective qualities without cracking or deforming. At 7 feet long, each piece offers plenty of coverage for multiple cords. It's a value-priced product that doesn't sacrifice quality, built tough enough to withstand everyday wear while staying affordable. That balance makes it a smart choice for both professionals and home users. Users across the United States have praised its effectiveness. One customer even used it to protect a cat's water fountain cord. While it's not metal-based and won't stop a determined chewer, it provides a good warning system by adding a layer that's harder to bite through than bare wire alone. This tubing isn't just about looks, it also adds practical protection. It bundles cords together, reducing clutter and minimizing the risk of accidental damage or tangling. For anyone who wants a cleaner setup with an extra shield against wear, it's a solid pick. If that's you, consider giving polyethylene FlexGuard convoluted tubing a try. It's easy to install, reliable, and designed to last. Whether for home electronics, automotive wiring, or pet safety, it offers peace of mind and a polished finish. Protect your wires with a solution that's flexible, durable, and budget-friendly. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your cable management and safeguard your cords with confidence.